Be Amazing Girls, let's see the food that you made. Be Amazing Girls, the chefs. So today,
nuts, rice, and mushrooms with cheese.
Okay, so we have Brazilian nuts. And a edible roast to it. So this is what it looks like. Nutritious and delicious. Okay.
I feel like I want to eat it now. I can taste it.
And it's aww. Okay. Is there anything you want to say to the amazing children out there in YouTube world? That they can make their own instructions, right?
You can make rice, peppers, or a fruit salad. Just use your imagination.
You can make whatever food you want, right?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay. And your guests? Did your guests have fun today? The Ducky Bears? Okay, Be Amazing Girls. Thank you for being wonderful, wonderful chefs. Amazing chefs. So today you join the Be Amazing Girls at Chef School with the Be Amazing Girls. And they're duck, and you could create whatever kind of nutritious food you want. Just use your imagination. Okay? Have a happy day, everybody. Happy day.
Don't eat it yet. No.
Okay, say bye to your YouTube friends.
Bye.
Okay, now you could go and enjoy your